7 Best Herbs for Kidney Cleansing. Your kidneys are organs that are shaped like a bean. They are located at the back side of your abdomen. They provide your body with very important functions. Particularly, they are primarily responsible for filtering waste and toxins from your bloodstream. They also release important hormones into your body: erythropoietin, renin, and calcitriol. Those hormones are extremely important to your overall health. Your kidneys are constantly working, along with your other organs, in order to keep your blood pressure under control, produce red blood cells, and to create vitamin D. Kidneys are organs that essentially cleanse themselves. However, to help them do this, you must drink enough fluids and remain hydrated. You can also help to achieve this by eating certain fruits and vegetables, as well as drinking water. When your kidneys cleanse themselves, they are not only removing toxins from your body, but also help to keep your blood pressure under control, help the function of your urinary tract, and help the function of your bladder. If you are feeling symptoms of kidney trouble, you may need some extra help in cleansing your kidneys. These symptoms can include feeling fatigued, feeling moody, feeling pain in your kidneys after eating, eczema of the skin, feeling bloated, sudden weight gain, kidney stones, or urinary tract infections. You can help your kidneys along by maintaining a healthy diet and exercise regime. It is essential that you keep your body hydrated as well. However, if you feel that you need a little extra help in cleansing your kidneys, you can turn to some herbs. It is important that you consult your doctor before adding any herbs into your daily regime. They may not be suitable for those with pre-existing kidney disease or other medical conditions. The herbs may also interact with certain medications. Here is a list of the top super herbs to cleanse your kidneys. 1. Parsley. Parsley is an herb that contains apiol and myristicin, which makes it a natural diuretic. That means that parsley helps to cleanse your kidneys and get rid of excess water within your body. Parsley can also help with your urination. Increased urination can help flush out toxins and germs out of your kidneys. 2. Dandelion root. Dandelion root is also a diuretic that helps to keep both your kidneys and your liver free of toxins. Dandelion root also removes any excess water from your body and prevents any irritation in the urinary tract. 3. Marshmallow. Another herb that is also a diuretic is marshmallow root. Marshmallow root can help your body to keep your kidneys, urinary tract, and bladder clean and free of infections. 4. Ginger. Another effective tool for cleansing your kidneys is ginger. Ginger provides many benefits to your body, including helping to clean your body of toxins, cleanse your liver, and help with your digestion. 5. Turmeric. Another herb that helps to cleanse your body is turmeric. Turmeric can help clean out kidneys, detoxify your liver, and purify your blood. It also is able to prevent kidney inflammation and infections. 6. Celery. Celery is another product that is a natural diuretic. It helps to remove harmful toxins and chemicals from your body. Celery also has natural nutrients that increase your kidneys' performance. Consuming celery on a regular basis can help your body to prevent kidney stones and kidney infections. 7. Corn silk. Another natural diuretic is corn silk. This product helps your body to produce more urine, which in turn causes your body to get rid of waste and toxins. It can be used to treat bladder infections, kidney stones, and urinary tract infections. Be sure to drink plenty of other fluids when you use corn silk to cleanse your kidneys and other organs. Additional tips: do not smoke, use tobacco products, or consume an excessive amount of alcohol and caffeine. Maintain normal blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Keep your cholesterol levels under control. Stay hydrated and drink plenty of water throughout the day. If you are overweight, try to lose weight and maintain a healthy body weight. Avoid fried foods and excessive salt. Follow a diet rich in fruits, green vegetables, and whole grain foods.